Hello everyone, if you edit, shoot videos or record audios, then you must need a professional audio monitoring headphones. And today I'm going to unbox BOYA HP2 professional monitor headphones. Let's start. Before unboxing, let's discuss the price, and it comes around in $60, and I've also mentioned the links in the description from where you can buy it. Here is the headphones. It has nice finishing. And you can see it has very soft padding, which definitely quite good for your ears. Let's see what else inside the box. And there is an audio cable and a converter to convert 3.5 mm audio connector to 6.35 mm. Let's discuss the ergonomics over ear design. So it has a self-adjusting headband. When you wear it, it will adjust automatically with the size of your head. And it also provides good sound quality even in noisy environments. The frequency response of the headphones is 20 to 20,000 Hz, and it is a standard for the most of the headphones available in the market. And also some headphones offer wider range, for example 5 to 35,000 Hz, but better frequency range doesn't mean better sound quality. If you have any queries or want to know anything regarding product, just ask me in the comment section down below. Thank you.